Hello guys, today we'll be making a local delicacy which is known as Okpa, or I guess Bambara nut cake. I guess we can call it that. So let's get right into it. For our Okpa, we just need 4 ingredients: the palm oil, salt, some habanero pepper, and our Okpa flour, also known as the Bambara nut flour. We'll start off by measuring the amount you want: 2 cups, 3 cups. You measure that out and then you sieve. You sieve for any shaft, dust, or any of that. Once you're done sieving, you'd be introducing the palm oil and you just have to mix that in properly. Hello everybody, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on here, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, just engage the post, and also turn on the notification bell. Once you're done mixing the palm oil in with our Bambara nut flour, we'll be introducing some warm water, not cold water, not hot water, warm water, and then we'll just be mixing it in little by little. The way you beat your puff puff, you'd have to keep doing the same. You will have to repeat that process with our Okpa. You just keep beating it and then you would keep adding more water till you get your desired consistency. You don't want it to be too thick and you don't want it to be too light, so you keep adding water and mixing till we get our desired consistency. I mixed this properly and I ensured there are no lumps in it. Once you're done mixing, you would just be adding some salt and habanero pepper. Salt, habanero pepper, I think those are just the basic ingredients you need. Once you've added this, you'd give this a very good mix, and then you'd be tasting this to ensure the salt is adequate and that the pepper is adequate as well. If there is not enough salt or not enough pepper, you can still add a little bit. So I added some more pepper to this, gave this another mix, and then I portioned this out. I have this moi moi pouch which I use in making moi moi, so I'll be making use of that for my Okpa as well. If you have banana leaves, some ramekins, or you can just bake this in the oven as well, but I chose to use this moi moi pouch and I just portioned it out. While I'm portioning this out, I would put a pot of boiling water on the stove. We are done portioning out our Okpa. As you can see, my water is already boiling, so I will just be adding in my pouches to the boiling water. I would add that, cover, and leave to boil for I think 40 to 50 minutes, and our Okpa is ready. What do you think of my recipe, guys? Would you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment section. Look at our Okpa, so simple, but let me tell you, it was very yummy. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.